Figma officially reintroduced Make Designs feature by renaming it as First Draft. In Figma Config 2024, they have introduced 10 different AI features in limited beta and Make Designs is one of them. However, they removed this feature because the design system made the mockups look like the existing apps. Now they reintroduced the same feature with the new name called First Draft. The First Draft library contains both lo-fi design libraries and hi-fi design libraries, naming them as App Wireframe, Site Wireframe, Basic App, Basic Site. Now let's see a video on how Make Designs feature looked back in July 2024. So the designer entered the prompt, not a boring weather app. And let's see what Figma AI has generated. So this looks similar to what Apple's weather app looked like. So that's why Figma took the blame and disabled this feature. Now let's try this new feature, First Draft, with the same prompt.
Now let's select AI, then First Draft, and I'm selecting Basic App and enter the prompt as not a boring weather app. Make it, and let's wait and see what it will generate. I think it improved a lot in providing the fresh designs that doesn't look too much like existing app, but it's very good option to generate your first draft of your designs in ideation stage.
You can literally generate designs right in your favorite design app without going to other tools. And Figma is using AI models like ChatGPT 4 and Amazon Titan. Amazon Titan is an image generation tool which is introduced by Amazon Web Services. So what do you think about this feature? Let me know in the comment section and consider subscribing to my channel to get more content like this, and see you in the next one.